Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. Today I'm giving you a quick craft. What's a quick craft? Well, I'm going to quickly show you how to take a plain Jane item and turn it into something fancy or spectacular or cute, or as I like to say, give it a little razzle dazzle. So for this project, you're going to need a glass pitcher. You're going to need some fabric measuring tape. You're going to need some alcohol. You're going to need some permanent vinyl. We're using the Oracal 651 permanent vinyl, and this is in glossy. And also some transfer tape. This is the Siser EasyPSV permanent transfer tape. That's it, y'all. Want to know what a quick craft is and how we're going to quickly turn this into something? Then you know what you got to do. You got to stick around. Okay, y'all, so before we get on over to the Cricut and we put this image on this picture, you're going to have to make sure you measure it. So you're going to need to measure the bulb, the biggest part of the picture. That's why we have a fabric measuring tape. As you can see, they are great for measuring rounded surfaces. So once you take your measurements, you're then going to remember them, write them down, and then we're going to make sure those are the measurements we use for this image I'm going to show y'all. So I already know the measurements are 4 and like 3 by 3 and like 4, give or take. We're going to see exactly what it is when we get over to the Cricut. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so now we're in design space and we're going to open up a new project window. So let's go over here, and now I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to be putting on that glass pitcher. So I already have this done, but I'm going to show you anyway. That's what I do. And here we go. We are putting the Kool-Aid Man on that glass pitcher, y'all. How many of y'all grew up drinking Kool-Aid? Because I know I did. So here it is. This is the Kool-Aid Man's face. And as you can see, the dimensions for this are 4.37 by 3.73. Those are the perfect dimensions to go on the top of, to go outside on your glass pitcher. That's it. This is one of those easy, no mess, cut out, put on projects. So we're not doing anything to this face. We're leaving it just as it is. And that's it, y'all. Now we are going to go ahead and put this on the glass pitcher and see what it looks like. So go to your templates. You're going to type in a picture, and yes, they have it. Oh, there you go. All right, so now that's it. We're going to go ahead and slide his face on over here. Now, they have standard. I left it on standard. They have an option for custom. I guess if your, the dimensions on your glass picture were different, you could change it. I'm not sure. That's not what we're here for. We're going to put this on exactly what we see. So now, I'm going to go ahead and slide his face over here. I don't know why I'm still looking at this thing thinking you could change it. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so let's slide his face right here. And boom, that's it. 1, 2, 3. The Kool-Aid Man is now on our glass pitcher. What do y'all think? That's cute, right? Like I said, this was a quick craft. Now let me slide it. Let me make it bigger so you guys can see it. Maybe you can see it a little better. Just making sure. And it keeps going off the page. So, you know what? Let me just put it back to the regular 100%. And there we go. So that's it, friends and family. That's all we're doing. Now, once we finish this, you are going to send it to your machine, weed it, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put it on a picture. And I'm going to show you a trick when it comes to putting images on rounded surfaces. As always, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button and also that notification bell so you can be notified when I'm dropping new content. This is an easy DIY glass pitcher, and once again, this is the Crafty Closet. Y'all take it easy, and of course, make sure to stick around to the end to see how this turns out.